Welcome to this tutorial on how to complete the DA185 form. To access the DA185 form, visit our website on www.sars.gov.za/find-a-form. Then you scroll down to access the DA185 application form. Download and open to complete the application form. Select Fill and Sign option to be able to complete the application form. Start completing the application form from your computer. Complete your existing customs or excise code where applicable. Select the type of applicant. Select New Registration as this is a new application. Complete applicant's demographic details. Complete the bank account details. Where the applicant is registered for other taxes, complete the reference numbers of those taxes. Please note that VAT reference number is mandatory. Select the nature of the applicant and the registration number of the juristic person. Complete the details of the natural persons linked with the applicant. Complete the authorized officer's details for the applicant, which is a juristic person. Then select Refund User as the registration type. Please note, the Annexure DA185.4A3 form must accompany this DA185 form. Select what is applicable to the applicant. Complete and sign the declaration by the natural person completing the application form. To sign the application form, select the option Sign Yourself at the top. Then select the signature that have been saved on your computer and place the signature in the signature field on the application form. To access the Annexure DA185.4A3 form, visit our website again. Then you scroll down to access the Annexure form. Download and open to complete the application form. Where the office address and the manufacturing facility address is different, complete the details for the manufacturing address. Indicate what is applicable to the applicant, either yes or no. Then select Schedule 6. Complete the rebate or refund items. Under Tariff subheadings, insert the diesel usage estimates. Under Rebate Code, insert the rebate code 670.05. Under Description of raw material or good to be used, indicate the fuel type used. Example, distillate fuel or diesel. Then, under the estimated quantity of raw material or good to be used per annum, either kilograms or liters, Insert the estimated liters to be used per year. Section 3 of the form. Tariff subheading. Specify on separate lines each foodstuff to be manufactured using that refunded distillate fuel. Under the description column, enter the description of the goods manufactured. Under the column, expected yield or ratio of final product from raw material or good to be used, which is per volume or number. You must specify on separate lines each foodstuff to be manufactured using that refunded distillate fuel. Section 4 of the form, not to be completed. The last section of the form, the types of supporting documents to be submitted. And that concludes the How to Complete the DA185 form and the Annexure DA185.4A3 form tutorial. Thanks for watching. SARS. At your service.